Hey, what's up, guys? So now we're going to grocery store. This is my friend Rupert.
So it's drunken chef meets the drunk.
The drunk, the real drunk.
Bahay ni Art.
Yeah.
Lagi ako nagluluto. Sa bahay sorry.
Yeah, it's really good to cook at home. Home cooking are the best.
You know what's the best?
What?
Cooking for someone you love.
Oh shit.
Long time si Silis nasan? Hi Silis! Morning.
Awkward.
Hey guys, so today I'm at Maidah's house, but instead of just hanging out, we're actually doing a cooking show. Tell us about this cooking show, Rupert Jules Palaroan.
I don't know what to say, bro.
Our chef has been camera shy, but you know,
We'll be featured in a TVNZ TV series.
Channel 2,
Yeah.
frequency
And our head
789.
chef happens to be our friend as well. Invited us to be with him tonight. Today.
Yeah, but at your house, because he doesn't have a house. Okay, so what are you cooking right now, Miss Maidah?
Cooking one of the famous dish in the Philippines called bistec. So first off, onions.
Got a bit, yes.
Let's take that, bro.
So right here, Rupert, what are you cooking?
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Kami na siya ako. Ganda na.
So guys, we're shooting in 10 minutes, but my chef needs to drink.
good.
So good. So good. So good.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Sarap to the bones.
Doesn't taste anything, anak.
Ang sarap ng pork.
Okay, the shooting is over. Everyone having breaky. Look at this guy. So, so the shooting is over. What you guys talking about? It's gonna air like probably next year. Abangan niyo po ang series that will be aired next year, featuring Rupert Jules Palaroan.